Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would share 5 beauty tips that I think you need to know about that will change your makeup game and just help you level up. If you are new here, hey, hi, welcome. My name is Fortune. I am a certified professional makeup artist, but I just love talking about whatever it is in life that makes me happy, which is skincare, makeup, my husband, my cat, horseback riding, traveling, working out outside. Do be sure to check out my other social media channels, my Instagram, my Twitter. I share a lot more lifestyle things, but if you're just into the makeup, the skincare, and you love knowing all there is to know about products, then you and I will really get along here on YouTube. So be sure to subscribe, click that bell. This way you never miss a video. And yeah, let's go ahead and just hop into this month's 5 beauty secrets. I have touched upon this a little bit here and there throughout various videos throughout all the years here on YouTube. You can change the shade of a lipstick in many different ways, depending on how you apply it, what you pair it with. I love Flower Beauty, the shade Peachy Nude. I've shown it so many times, almost like a bright peach pink. It's a very interesting shade. And for me and my pale complexion, it washes me out. When I wear it by itself, it's too light. I'll pair it with a darker lip liner. This way it gives contrast, the darker outline paired with a lighter lip. Even today, I'm wearing a darker lip liner than my lipstick. That's just a staple for me. That is how I do my lipstick. And the darkness around gives it that contrast and depth. If I didn't have the lip liner, then this lighter shade would be hitting right against my skin tone and you would see that it would wash me out. But just that barrier of a different shade, a darker shade, makes a lighter lipstick more wearable. Guys, you don't need to have fall and winter lipsticks. You can have lipsticks that are all year round. So if you have a darker red, just a darker shade in general, and you think it's too dark for the spring, instead of going in with that lipstick and applying it as you typically would, tap the lipstick onto your lips, and that's gonna leave less pigmentation on your lips, which in turn makes the shade naturally a little bit lighter. I'm a lipstick fanatic. If you don't know, I upload a lip combo video every Monday here on all of my social medias. You will see the lip combo of the week that it is I'm wearing. For those of you who are looking at me and are interested in what I'm wearing today, I'll insert it right here, but I'm wearing MAC Boldly Bare paired with Flower Beauty. I think it's like Perfect Nude, and then I put a little bit of the Fenty Glow lip gloss on top. A lip liner, a lipstick, and a lip gloss, my friends, will get you far, okay? I don't feel like myself until I have my lip combo on. When I put my lip on, she is here. I am ready. My weakest moments is really what I'm trying to say in so many words, is when I'm not wearing a lip. I touched upon this in my last video as well, but just for any of you who are experiencing really dry skin, I find that the winter is really rough on my skin, but also the change in seasons is rough on my skin as well. And just days where my skin is extra dry, because I do have combo leaning way more so dry skin. I will always put a setting spray, but a setting spray that has nothing in it. So kind of just like water, like the Avene thermal spray can. It's like a makeup setting spray. It's legit water in a can that is so expensive and ridiculous, but it really does wonders for the skin in terms of applying that setting spray before putting on your moisturizer, whether it's in the morning or the evening. Do not use a setting spray that's meant to prolong the wear of your makeup. Those kind of setting sprays tend to have alcohol in them. I'm talking about something light. Get a little mister, a little empty spray bottle, fill it with some filtered water, cold water, whatever, and spritz your face. Throw some moisturizer on, and that's going to give you a hell of a world of a difference in terms of the hydration of your skin. This is one that is common sense, but I never realized it, or I never realized that I did it until I was watching, I think it was Andrea Ali. She's a makeup artist based in Paris. She's here on YouTube, but I follow her all over on all of her social media. She's just like fabulous, beautiful. I love her. I've learned so much in terms of how I apply my own makeup from her. In one video, she said when applying a lip liner or a lipstick or a wing, like anything that requires you to have a steady hand, place your elbow on a table and do it. I always do that, and I didn't realize that I did it until she said it, but when I sit down at my vanity, my elbow is always on my table when I'm applying a lipstick. If I'm somewhere where I can't be sitting down and physically leaning on something, I pull my elbows into my body and kind of use my body as a steady surface that I can flick my wrist off of. Are you applying your wing with your elbow out like this? Because I'm telling you, one slip and it's not going to be straight. But if your arm has something to leverage, you're using the flick of your wrist to just get that line to be crisp and precise. And it's really game changing. A lot of the times I'll be doing my makeup in the morning. You guys see when I upload shorter videos, I do a lot of get ready with me's. I tend to upload them on Saturdays. A lot of the time I'll be sitting at my vanity. I'll do most of my makeup. Like let's say I'll do 60, 70, 80, sometimes 90% of my makeup, and I'll do the base of my face, the eyeshadow, and then before doing my lips a lot of the time, I'll get up, I'll brush my teeth, get dressed, put on deodorant, perfume, the rest of the steps in which it takes to get ready. It's a lot of steps as women, we know. I'm giving my makeup time to sink into my skin, to settle into my skin. I don't know if you guys have ever noticed, but sometimes when I do my makeup just kind of sits on top of my skin and I'm looking at it and I'm in the mirror and I'm just thinking to myself, wow, like I really just want to wash my face, start from scratch, but you don't because you don't have enough time. And then do you notice as the day goes on and you're wearing it, it kind of marinates into your skin more and it just looks better. Or the opposite. Sometimes you're sitting in front of your vanity, you're doing your eyes, and you come up with this what you think is a beautiful smoky eye, and it looks great in front of your vanity lights, in front of whatever it is you're getting ready. But then you go and brush your teeth in the bathroom, and there's natural lighting in the bathroom, and it's just like, whoa, girl, did you even blend your eyeshadow out? So just giving your makeup the time to sink into the skin, and also going from room to room, you're getting different lighting as you move throughout your home, whether it's fluorescent lighting, bathroom lighting, bedroom lighting, and you can see how your makeup looks in all these different lightings so that you can go ahead, hop in front of the vanity or grab whatever it is you need from your vanity, go into that other lighting and fix whatever is so obvious to you in that lighting that wasn't so obvious to you in other lightings. When you're doing your makeup, chances are you're probably doing your makeup in a small mirror, and then you go in your bathroom or you go in your closet or whatever it is you get ready, there's a full-length mirror, you can see things from a different distance, from a different angle, and just you can perfect things. Definitely not for every day, guys. Like Monday through Friday when I'm running to work, like I'm not hopping in and out of rooms to see what my makeup looks like, okay? Totally different. But for those times or date nights or events when you just want to look your absolute best, I think this is a really good trick to just take your time, do things in between, and check out your face in different lighting, in different rooms, different angles, and I guarantee you'll become a perfectionist after doing so. Last but not least, this was brought to my attention by one of my fabulous friends, Carolina. We were sitting having lunch one day and she just mentioned, like, I did this amazing nighttime skincare routine last night. I dry brushed, I used these products. She just wanted to tell me. And you guys know, I live for that. So she told me that she dry brushes once a week and her skin, people, is baby soft. It's like touching a baby's bottom. I am a scaly lizard who is dry all the time. She was talking about dry brushing and it clicked in my head that I cleaned out my bathroom the other weekend and I have a dry brush that I never used. So what do you think has happened? That night after she mentioned dry brushing herself, I went home, dry brushed my entire body. It probably took me a good 10 minutes, showered, threw on all of my moisturizer and was just set. My skin is so soft that entire night, I'm not kidding you, I wore a little nightgown, which normally, if you ask my husband, I wear the ugliest pajamas. I always wear pants and I always wear long sleeves and I always wear a robe. I'm just covered to the nines because that's just comfy to me. I don't know. But I came down and I wore a little nightgown and I kept leaning my leg out like this. And I'm like, babe, touch me. I'm so soft. Every week, once a week, I do a 10-minute dry brush ritual. I'm pretty sure my dry brush is from EcoTools. I'll put a little clip of myself dry brushing my body, but this is so good. It just exfoliates your skin. It's a physical exfoliator and it helps to produce more collagen in your skin. I don't want to say scrapes because it's not like scraping you, but it's like a dry brush. It's leaving little lesions, but nothing that's making you bleed. You know what I'm saying? Little lesions that collagen rushes to help renew those skin cells. So it's just helping you renew your skin cells quicker, which in turn makes your skin softer, brighter, tighter, all those kind of good things. And it's really good for you. I'm pretty sure lymphatic drainage is involved. It's just, I need to do more research on it, but I know that it makes my skin look crazy good and feel even better. So dry brushing, definitely a new thing for me and perfect for you going into the spring and summer months when we show a little bit more skin, you know? Why not have soft, supple skin? Who doesn't want that if it's only gonna take 10 minutes out of your entire week? Those are my 5 beauty tips. Let me know down below in the comments, are you gonna try any of them? Have you tried any of them? Leave one of your own beauty tips down below. I would love to hear from you guys. Make sure that you subscribe and click that bell before you leave. I had a wonderful time as always. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys. Mwah.